Okay, here we go. We've got another big roof rail dent. I don't know how I keep getting all of these roof rail dents, but this one you had to pull the interior all apart to get the roof rack off, which is not exactly a fun job. Then we just put a centipede tab on there from Kiko using the robo lifter here. Really nice, pulls that metal up and pushes the high areas down at the same time. Now I'm using a Dent Reaper tab there. Used a Dent Reaper tab for a lot of this repair. And that is the Metal Medic Superhero Glue. This glue pulls super hard. Can't recommend it enough. And here I'm just finally finishing up some things, blending everything out. This took a long time. Here's one more before shot. And there it is, all done. Molding sits on there nice again. Yeah, looked pretty good. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you on the next one.